My first How to Speak Papiamentu video has been seen over 8,000 times in places as far as Japan, Iceland, and Philippines. How cool is that? If you haven't watched that one yet, please watch it right here. A big shout out goes to the folks in Cape Verde. Through the video, we found out how much Papiamentu has in common with their language. Since that video did so well, I decided to make How to Speak Papiamentu Part 2. In this video, I'll teach you some of the cool words and phrases to know in Papiamentu. In addition, I'll also add some of your requests.
I'm Shady, a traveler and Curaçao expert. Let me show you around.
Let's start with the most loving of them all, mi stimabo. I love you. When I go to the beach, simply ask Unda laman, which means where's the beach? To say you want to go somewhere, just say mi kebay, and then you add the place you want to. For example, mi kebay laman. We're island folks, meaning that things go a little bit more poco-poco than in big cities. As you might have guessed, poco-poco means slowly. Sale, as in discount, is Baratio. Most prices will be in Florin, which is Papiamentu for Gilder. Hungry? Meeting hamber is I am hungry. Finally, I want to go back to Curaçao is mi kebay back Curaçao. If you haven't visited yet, just drop the back and say mi kebay Curaçao. Now that's it. By watching both videos, you've managed to learn a lot of important things in Papiamentu. Let me know which one you like best. If you have anything else you want me to translate, use the comment section. Share this video and brag about your new Papiamentu knowledge to your friends. Want to go to the beach? Beach? No. Yeah, stop.